Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I got a new mic which you can't see, but it's right here. And I am filming on a day where I'm not typically filming because I had filmed these videos before and the audio was just... In my latest video, which I will link up here, my audio was starting to get really bad. So I decided to try a new mic. So hopefully I sound a-okay. If not, I'm sure you will let me know. Let us get started. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the SkinFix Barrier Balancing Water Cream, which looks like this. SkinFix kindly sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing if you also love product reviews. So SkinFix describes this as a weightless moisturizer that delivers a burst of refreshing hydration that lasts 3 straight days. This balances skin, this is acne safe, and this will not congest your skin. You can find this at Sephora and skinfix.com. A 1.7-ounce unit like this retails for $54. SkinFix suggests that you apply water cream as the final step in your skincare routine before your SPF. 1 to 2 pumps will work well. You want to spread water cream across the face and neck to give skin a drink of water. Pro tip, if you do want more of a matte look to the skin, you want to allow water cream to sink in completely before your makeup application. If you love a dewy, luminous appearance to the skin, you want to apply your makeup while the moisturizer is still kind of wet. I really do like the limited ingredients here, roughly about 22 in total, mostly hydrators as expected, with nearly a handful of anti-agers. Now let's chat about what SkinFix is calling their 2.35% balancing complex, which includes zinc, PCA, niacinamide, and green tea. This complex claims to absorb oil, reduce visible redness. Zinc PCA is an anti-aging hydrator, and niacinamide, an ingredient we see in a lot of formulations recently, is an anti-aging pore minimizer that can also soothe the skin. Niacinamide is one of my favorite skincare ingredients, but some skin just cannot tolerate it. I do love niacinamide for its pore minimizing properties and how it improves dull, uneven skin. Niacinamide can also strengthen an impaired barrier. One of my favorite skincare products is Pharmacy's 10% niacinamide mask, which looks like this. I know we are not talking about her, but let's do a brief intermission. I will link my review to this up above. Green tea extract is an anti-aging antioxidant that can also soothe the skin. There's also a peptide here that can soothe and also provide the skin with anti-aging benefits. I first used this April 27th and I immediately fell in love. I noted that this worked very well under one of Murad's newest sunscreens, the brightening formula with no pilling. Skin felt balanced throughout the day, and after 2 weeks of use, I noted that my skin felt hydrated, plump, balanced. This did not interfere with the performance of my makeup, which is crucial as a daily makeup wearer. On week 4 of use, I did note that I absolutely loved this for daytime use. This worked very well again with multiple Murad sunscreens and also Supergoop. And this was so weightless and it did not pill no matter what SPF I applied over top. I do want to compare this to another SkinFix moisturizer that I have tried, the Triple-Lipid Peptide Cream. I will link my review to that up above as well. Ingredients-wise, the Triple-Lipid Peptide Repair Cream contains well over 50 ingredients, most of them being anti-aging hydrators. Formula-wise, the Barrier Balancing Water Cream is gel, like better suited for oily combo skin. Triple-Lipid Peptide Cream is a rich cream. Not the richest cream I have personally ever tried, but it is better suited for normal to dry skin. I will say that having tried both formulas and having normal skin myself, my skin performed very well with both. Of course, I tried the Fit Cream during winter months, and I am now trying the water cream during spring, and it is now summer. And then from trying both, neither of these products broke me out or congested my skin further or caused any redness or irritation. From well over a month of use, probably 2 months now, I found SkinFix Barrier Balancing Water Cream to have hydrated, plumped, and strengthened my skin. Sensitivity that I often experience along the cheeks, practically gone, even with retinol and Tret use. This moisturizer also gave me a lovely glow throughout, and this formula did not congest my skin or cause any breakouts. Barrier Balancing Water Cream works well with a number of serums. I've revisited Drunk Elephant's Sea Firma Fresh for day use, and this product works very well over that. And I also use this with my gel-based tretinoin formula, and it worked well. I used the sandwich method with this, and I did not experience any irritation along the cheeks where it tends to happen for me. So I was pleasantly surprised. This formula can also be used with acne treatments and acids. As mentioned earlier, this did work with a number of sunscreens from Murad to Supergoop, all with no issues whatsoever. I did not use this with facial oils as I primarily stuck to using this during the day, and I don't typically use facial oils during the day. I loved using this with Pharmacy's Gentle Cleanser, Paula's Choice Pore Toner, Sea Firma Fresh by Drunk Elephant, my favorite eye products. Usually 1 to 2 pumps of this worked well, and then I'd follow it with Supergoop's Glow Screen, and voila, radiant, juicy, fresh skin ready to go. I think that combo normal oily skin types looking to hydrate and keep shine under control and also strengthen your skin's protective barrier are going to enjoy this formula. Skin that's prone to congestion, breakouts, are also going to enjoy this water-based formula that truly hydrates the skin without completely evaporating and disappearing within seconds. I also want to suggest that if you are showing the signs of aging, or if aging is one of your major skincare concerns and are looking for a gel-based formula, do check out Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer. I will link my review to that up above. The textures are similar. I will, however, say that this formula is a little bit lighter. The Paula's Choice unit, however, contains more anti-aging ingredients. And when you are looking to delay the signs of aging, the more anti-aging ingredients in the formula, the absolute better. Pros, I do love that this is fragrance-free, which can make this safe for sensitive skin. This is designed to be refillable. Refill pods will be available soon if they aren't already available. This minimized redness, irritation from Tret use, and this did not congest or cause any breakouts. I do not have any cons. I am rating this a 10 out of 10. This is the second SkinFix product that I have tested, and I am impressed. I have another SkinFix product, which is a serum that I will be testing soon, so do stay tuned for that. Let me know if you have used this product by SkinFix in the comments down below. What were your results, and would you recommend this to others? Let's discuss down below. Thank you all for spending some time with me today. I love you, I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Refillable, so refill pods